Hello and welcome to your global software industry briefing for March 27, 2026. Over the last 24 hours, the industry has pivoted from agentic accountability toward computational efficiency and sovereign data assets. As the cost of intelligence drops, the focus has shifted to reducing the massive memory overhead of AI and securing the digital borders of corporate and national data. As always, for more details, the full news links are provided in the video description. Let's dive into today's top stories. We start with a major move in fintech. MasterCard has finalized a definitive agreement to acquire the stablecoin startup BVNK in a deal valued at $1.8 billion. This signals a massive integration of blockchain-based settlement layers into traditional global payment software. Meanwhile, Google's $32 billion acquisition of Wiz is progressing. Regulatory filings today confirm the deal is entering its final stages, marking the largest acquisition in Google's history as they aim to build an AI-hardened cloud security fortress. Finally, the fintech unicorn Ramp has acquired the European payments platform Billhop. This deal includes critical licenses in the UK and Sweden, accelerating Ramp's expansion into the European enterprise software market. The workforce landscape continues to be reshaped by AI. Oracle confirmed a new wave of job cuts today affecting approximately 1,000 employees. Despite record cloud revenue, the company is aggressively shifting headcount from legacy database support to AI infrastructure and data center engineering. Close Brothers Banking Group also announced 600 job cuts as part of a strategy to roll out AI-driven automation at pace, highlighting the trend of financial software replacing middle-office operational roles. However, it's not all reductions. We've seen a 50% increase in job postings for AI governance architects as firms race to meet new global compliance standards. In the world of R&D, Google researchers publicized TurboQuant. This breakthrough technology can reduce the memory required to run large language models by a factor of 6, significantly lowering the hardware barrier for deploying massive models on standard servers. NVIDIA unveiled DLSS-5 Neural Materials, introducing a real-time neural rendering model that infuses pixels with photoreal lighting and materials. Many are calling this the GPT moment for computer graphics. Additionally, OpenAI has been testing a major voice-to-logic update for GPT-5.4. In developer trials, the model successfully converted complex verbal instructions into executable React and Next.js code, with a 95% success rate. Product launches today are focused on performance and simulation. Microsoft pushed the final build of Windows 12.5 to its enterprise ring. It features native AI orchestration, which offloads background security and file indexing to the device's NPU, extending battery life by up to 30%. Synopsys launched ANSYS 2026 R1, the first major integrated suite following their merger. It uses AI-powered digital twins to allow engineers to simulate physics and thermal stress in software before a single physical component is ever built. And GitHub has moved Copilot extensions to general availability, allowing services like Docker, Stripe, and Sentry to plug their specialized documentation directly into the Copilot chat interface. Strategic partnerships are redefining infrastructure. NVIDIA and Emerald AI announced a partnership with major energy firms to create AI factories as grid assets. These data centers use software to adjust power consumption in real time, acting as flexible batteries for the national power grid. Apple and OpenAI released new technical documentation for the Handshake protocol in iOS 26. This ensures that high-level AI reasoning is processed on Apple's silicon servers in a way that is mathematically invisible to the model provider. Furthermore, the Linux Foundation launched Project Clearview. Backed by IBM and Intel, this open-source initiative aims to create a universal standard for auditing the decision-making logs of autonomous AI agents in the enterprise. We conclude with critical technology alerts. Palo Alto Networks issued a warning regarding a context injection vulnerability. Malicious prompts hidden in PDF metadata can hijack an AI agent's context vault to exfiltrate private user data. Cloudflare launched an update to its WF called Sovereign Gate, which automatically blocks data packets attempting to leave a designated geo-fenced region to ensure compliance with data residency laws. Lastly, developers should be aware of an NPU overheat bug in a common Python library. It causes NPUs on specific chipsets to run at 100% capacity indefinitely, which may shorten your hardware's lifespan. That concludes your briefing for March 27, 2026. Stay informed, secure your data, and we will see you in the next update.